Okay, so I mentioned a minute ago that the Simplex comes in two different packages. One is just a regular package, and then the other one is called the WHP. Okay, that's the wireless headphone package. All right, those two packages are different more than just one of them has headphones, the other one doesn't. Okay, the actual contents of the package is a little bit different, and let me explain. First of all, when you open up the box, you're going to have this really nice Nokta Simplex hat. All right, from Nokta Macro, and it is a black hat. Cool, huh? I'm not really into black hats, but I already have the same one in tan, so I'll hang on to that. All right. You also get their product catalog. The Simplex is not the only machine that they make. They make a bunch of machines, and they're all, I mean, anything from pinpointers to 3D imaging. This company's got it going on. They're from Istanbul, Turkey. All right, so there's a lot of there's a lot of horrible things going on in the Middle East, and I hope that one day it can all come to a resolution. But one good thing to know that there is a shining light coming out of Turkey, and it is Nokta Macro Company. All right, you also get an explanation of the manufacturer's warranty. It is a 2-year warranty. On the back of it, you do have a sticker that matches the sticker that's on the machine that has your serial number, and it actually says on here WHP so that they know which package that you originally bought. You get a quick start guide, okay, and on the back of it has a little bit of talk about the settings. So we're going to go over this item by item in a minute. You also get the user's manual, and if you've got the wireless headphone package, you also get another insert for the 2.4 gigahertz wireless headphone green edition. All right, one thing that I want to point out, you're going to get this box in the mail. That big brown truck just dropped this off at your house, and you are like a kid in a candy store. You want to rip this thing open, turn it on, get out there in your backyard, start using it. Don't do that. All right. There's some settings that we need to go through, and before you do anything, take your machine, plug it in, charge it up. All right. It has built-in LiPo batteries. Okay, I think that's like lithium polymer, something like that. I don't know. Excuse me. But you're going to want to make sure that your machine is fully charged, and if you get the headphones, make sure that they are fully charged. Go ahead and throw those on the charger and get that going, so they'll be charging while you read the instruction book. Read the instruction book page for page. Okay, pay attention to it. All right. Now, in the box, you're going to get a cable that looks like this. USB on one end and this funny little green end here. This has dual purpose. This is your charging cable to charge up the metal detector, and this is also what you're going to use to do your firmware updates. All right, and I'm going to show you where you plug that in. They plug into the same spot. I'll talk more about that in just a second. If you get the wireless headphones, you also get another micro USB charger with a USB to charge up your headphones. Okay, if you got the kind that does not have the wireless headphones, you probably just got some wired headphones made by Philips. Okay, they're pretty decent headphones. Or no, I don't think it even comes with those. It does come with an adapter, little short little wire that plugs into the headphone jack. All right, it plugs into the headphone jack, and it is a screw mount. All right, so if you're going to use your own headphones with this instead of the wireless, you want to use that, or you have to use that adapter. It's the only way that you're going to plug in headphones to this machine. And again, if you bought the package that does not come with the wireless headphones, you will have that adapter. If you bought the one with the wireless headphones, go ahead and order that little adapter, okay? Because you never know what's going to happen, and you're going to go out there to your favorite spot. You're going to find out one day that something's gone wrong. Your headphones didn't take the charge, or you used it up, or you forgot to charge it, or something's going to happen. Always bring another set of headphones with you. So if you bring your wired headphones, you're going to have that special little adapter to use regular headphones with this unit. Alright, so go ahead and order that. Also, you get the USB wall charger, and it is with these funny little prongs for you European fellas, but they also send this little adapter. Push that into there. Now you can plug it into the wall for regular plugs. Now they tell you in the instruction manual to only use the wall adapter that they send you. Well, that they may be just saying that to cover themselves in case you use something else, and they can say, hey, you didn't use our adapter, you used a cheap one, and you know, it caused some damage. But I don't see where that's really going to make a difference. You know, I don't know. I'm not telling you, little disclaimer, I'm not telling you not to use theirs. Okay, use theirs. They tell you to, so do it. All right, I'm not telling you not to use theirs and use a different one. Don't get me tied up with that. All right, so without any further ado, let's get into this part.